Hello, I'm Sonia Patidar and I am from Avantika University pursuing here Masters in Business Administration and I am from HR stream. Here I am in the placement year and within my 2 years of a journey I have experienced the real learning, actual practical based learning. During my first year, I do not have any idea about the presentables and presentations, that how you present yourself. But within 2 years, I have learned that what is the presentation, actual present personality is. In the outer world, you can able to personalize yourself. In the outer world, you can able to present yourself. Here is in the Avantika University is the learning where you not only learn about the theoretical learnings, but you can convert your theoretical learnings into the practical learnings. Now, in fashion designing, we know that in fashion designing we used to do the practical things, but in management, how management will be practical? But in Avantika, it is possible that you can able to do the management things into the practicality. Not only in the corporate world you will experience the practical things, but in the Avantika University, it is possible that during your academics you can able to face the practical things. And in Avantika University, you will face a very attractive infrastructure. Here the infrastructure and the classrooms are not in under the walls. Here the classrooms are basically covered with the mirrors. Here you will never face like a prisoners. You can able to have your classrooms. You can change your classrooms. If you are interested in the finance stream, you can convert you can go in the finance stream or finance classroom as well. I am from the HR stream, but I little bit concerned about the marketing stream as well. So whenever I get bored in the HR lectures, I go into the lectures of the marketing. So it is the free environment like you can able to get in the Avantika University. So if you come here, definitely you will learn about the practical learning, practical based learning. So best of luck, you can definitely come to the Avantika.